Welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn that how we can list our first product on Amazon. So to list your product, you need Amazon seller account, not the buyer account. For example, let me show you. This is the interface of Amazon seller account where you can list your products and on Amazon and people can purchase the products. So let me show you the difference. Amazon.com for USA market it is. So here you can see this is the Amazon buyer account where from the customer purchase the part. For example, if I want to buy the for like face mask, so the customer will just type the face mask, and if you have the part of face mask and you have listed in your Amazon Seller Center account, so it will appear in on first page, on second page, or on third page, depends on the SEO, search engine optimization, and the scoring of your product detail page. So the customer will purchase the part from here. So this is Amazon buyer account, and this is Amazon seller account. First of all, to list your part on Amazon, you will need to create your Amazon seller account. So when your Amazon seller account will be ready, then you will come here in manage inventory, and you will see here the tab of add product. So you will just click on add a product. Here you see three options. I am adding a part not sold on Amazon. I am uploading a file to add multiple parts, and I want to learn how to list parts. So you have to click on I am adding a part not sold on Amazon. So this is the way how you list your first product on Amazon. So from here, you have to select the category of your product that from which category your part is belonging. For example, if you do not know what is the actual and what is the right category, which is also known as BTG, Browser Tree Guide, for your part, then you have to search your part on Amazon. Like just for example, your part is face mask. So usually you have to search on Amazon.com face mask and just check some sellers BTG. So you can just check from here. Just open the listing and then scroll on the page. In product details, you will see the category C. Here it is. It is industrial and scientific. This is the category of this product. The main category, and medical face shields. This is the subcategory. So this is the right BTG for your pod. So if you are going to list your first pod, so the first thing you need to verify the BTG for your pod. So if you will put your pod in wrong category phase, then your pod will not appear in searches and you will get less sales. So the first thing you need to do is to get the right category, the right BTG for your product. So in my case, for example, I am just for learning purposes to show you. For example, I am going to list a face mask. So I will just search here face mask. I can also select the category from here manually. So I will just search here. It seems easy for me. Just search the face mask part and scroll down the categories. Here it is. You can see this is industrial and scientific. This is the main category. So I can also select this. So if I just want to match the category with the listing I just opened a few minutes ago, I can scroll down and check from here. So in my case, for example, my product main category is industrial and scientific and safety mask. So I will just click on select, and here I have to put all the information related to my part. So first thing that Amazon is asking me the product ID, which is also known as UPC, Universal Product Code, or GTIN, which is known as Global Trade Index number. So I just have to write the UPC here, and then I have to select it is UPC, EN, GCID, or GTN, or ASIN or ISBN. So in my case, I don't have the UPC for my part. So you can also list your part on Amazon without using any UPC. So I just have to click on I don't have a product ID, and then you have to write here your product name, which is also known as the title of your pod. So just write here the product name. For example, I'm just for learning purposes face mask. You can just prepare your product name or title in a professional way, and then you have to write here. So here you have to write your brand name. So here I want to clear one thing. If you are not using the UPC, then you will need to get special permission from Amazon to list this product with your brand name. So in mostly cases, when we get the GTN exemption from Amazon and we say that we will never use the product ID, then we just say that this product do not have a brand name. And on the second page, Just wait a second. Continue. And here you have to write the department, from which department your product belongs to. So you just have to select the department from here, men, women, or anything. Is product expirable? If your product is expirable, just select yes, otherwise no. In my case, no. And the number of items. The number of items the customer will receive on his order. So in my case, it's one face mask. It's just for the learning purposes to teach you that how Billy supports. Here you have to write the unit count. It's the first one mask, and we will write in count. And size, it's large, for example. And per life cycle supply type, it's for fashion, you can say that. And then you have to go to the variations. If your part has some style variations, some sizes variations, or some color variations, you can just select from here the variations, and then you can add the variations manually. And after that, you have to write the price of your pod. For example, I want to sell this pod in 45, for example, in $45, and quantity. I have the quantity of 100 units in my warehouse, and you have to select the condition new. And this is the most important thing, fulfillment channel. If you want to ship the orders to your customer by yourself, then you have to select I will ship these items myself. If you want to ship your whole inventory to Amazon warehouse, and when someone comes on your listing and buy the product, and Amazon will ship the your product to your customer, then you have to select Amazon will ship and provide the customer services. And in the very last step, you have to add the images of your product, and then you will just click on save and finish. Your listing will be active on Amazon, and you are able to get sales. So this is the way that how you list your products on Amazon. So if you want to listen this lecture in Urdu language, you can also check in I button. I will add there. And if you need to ask any question, you can just ask in the question I in comment box. So I will just answer the questions. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, you can subscribe the channel. And if you need to ask anything, you can just ask in the comment box. Thank you so much.